Never play games with a woman who is completely comfortable being alone. That person you've got zero patience of tolerating nonsense, can leave you anytime if you are expecting that woman is begging you or she is desperate. Other women are comfortable to being alone because you have got a peace of mind when you don't have a partner. But you can give yourself a chance that you can be in love again. But when you find that man is not serious with you, men of nowadays, they want to be begged with women because they say men are few than women. Women, we are desperate to be with men. Sometimes you can feel comfortable because you can stay maybe 10 years without a man. That woman can leave you anytime and she doesn't have patience to beg you most of the time to be desperate. She is comfortable to being alone. So sometimes when you want a woman to beg you every time, you have to be fair in relationship as a man, to stand as a man. That woman can leave you anytime. She doesn't have patience to beg you every time, baby, what, baby, eat, baby, what, why you don't call me, what. Men of nowadays, they want to be begged by women. Other women, they don't have those patience to beg men every time. I beg. When you are comfortable to be alone, to being alone, sometimes when you are in relationship, a small mistake, you can leave that relationship quick because you think maybe you are not comfortable at all, because you are always comfortable to being alone. So never play games with the type of a woman when she is comfortable for a long time to be alone, because there is no one who can disturb you. Women, we can live a long time alone, but men, they can't live alone. So sometimes you can, a small mistake that person did to you can run and leave the relationship and say, I don't want to be in relationship again, because you are being comfortable to being alone for a long time. So you have to be careful, man. It's not about when a woman, she is alone for a long time, when she find you, she is desperate, or maybe you are like God to hear, you want to being begged, or maybe she was desperate. No, women sometimes, yes, we can be desperate, but at other side, women, we can live without men. So when you are comfortable as a woman, you know that you cook at time what you want to cook, or you do whatever you want to do at your time. But when that person is in your life now, want to control you left and right center, other women, they don't have a patience to a man who want to control everything you are doing, because that woman doesn't, you not used to being controlled by anyone.